The moon isn't just a glowing rock, it's a cosmic mood ring, shifting through love, ego, curses, and redemption across celestial time. Meet Chandra, immortal, unpredictable, and forever waxing and waning through the night sky. From the cosmic churn of the ocean during Samudra Manthan, Chandra emerged, radiant, cool as silver, and immortal through the divine nectar Amrita. Riding a white chariot drawn by horses or an antelope, he began his journey across the night sky. Chandra wed the 27 daughters of Daksha, each one a nakshatra, a lunar constellation. But his heart chose only Rohini, neglecting the others. Enraged, Daksha cursed him to fade, and Chandra lost his shining form, dimming to a sliver of light. In his despair, Chandra turned to Lord Shiva. Moved by his devotion, Shiva softened the curse, but not entirely. The moon would now wax and wane forever, reappearing after disappearing, to remind the world of the balance between karma and grace. Chandra's tale stretched further into passion and consequence. He fell for Tara, the wife of Brihaspati, the guru of the gods. Their union led to a cosmic feud involving gods, sages, and even Shiva and Vishnu. Tara returned to her husband, but bore Chandra's son, Buddha, Mercury, symbol of pure intellect. From this divine conflict was born wisdom itself. Chandra's pride surfaced again when he mocked Ganesha for falling while overeating sweets. Hurt, Ganesha cursed the moon to vanish. Terrified, Chandra begged forgiveness. Ganesha relented, the curse became temporary, and the moon now disappears only on certain nights. To this day, it's believed that looking at the moon on Ganesha Chaturthi brings misfortune. But Chandra is not only a light in the sky, in the Vedas, he is Soma, the sacred nectar of life. The moon embodies nourishment, emotion, and the cycle of time. And after seeking refuge in Shiva, the crescent moon rests upon his matted hair, making him Chandrashekhara, the one who holds the moon. This symbolizes that the ever-changing mind finds peace only in the divine. In Vedic astrology, Chandra governs emotion, intuition, imagination, and maternal grace. Worshipped on Mondays, he is invoked through pearls, mantras, and meditation to bring clarity and calm. Thus unfolds the timeless story of Chandra, born from the ocean, lover, rebel, and teacher, waxing and waning endlessly. His tale reminds us that even in change, loss, and longing, beauty and balance remain. If this story lit up your imagination, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mythic journeys under the stars.